We're back on the roof again. It's a bit windy up here. So solar panel survived, hasn't blown away. Let's swap these nodes around and then, yeah, my ghetto bag. Let's have a quick swap around. I might check the battery voltage or the percentage on the battery pack and see how we're getting on. It's actually survived quite well. I'm quite surprised. It's only a temporary thing, but you know, we're testing. Well, that's turned out alright. Look at that. So I've left it up here. It's now at 99% charge. How good is that? This is a 100 watt hour battery. Wow, there we go. Let's see. Well, I'll just leave it up here. Whoa, that's kind of trippy on the screen. Anyway, this has been up here and it's only been on. It must have turned itself off and on again at one point, because it says 2 days. Well, this has been up here for more than 2 days, so at some point it has restarted itself. Well, check out this. The node on the roof has not been connected to the internet, and we've had a random connection. It does say 3 hops away, but how crazy is that? So let's see where that is on the map. So somehow we've got a connection between Suffolk and Newcastle? Wow, how has that happened? Well, that would be an interest. It does say 3 hops away, so I don't know how that's happened. 3 hops from where? I wonder if it's gone on that Yagi up here. There's 3 hops though. Isn't that weird? I don't know how to explain that, but it's definitely picked up something 322 kilometers away. Interesting. There we now have Paradar antenna. Ooh. And then I'll put my plastic bag back on top. What's stiffer than you think? Right, there we go. So that's on there like that. Battery pack is filled up. This is the other one. So we've swapped aerials round. This one can go somewhere else. We'll do some more testing. All wrapped up nice and snugly. That should survive for a few more tests. Solar panel's still good, and we're at 100% charge. It'll be interesting to see what happens as winter comes in. This will be a good test. So we're connected to the original solar, but now we've got the smaller antenna on, and we're on the roof still. So, and we're pinging. This one here just pinged, and that's for that Yagi. So that's saying 127.15. So that is, let's swap over to the TTGO and we'll see. We'll swap over to this one and we'll see what the difference, if there's any difference. So that's quite a good comparison. Let's do that then. Which one was it? This is how it's easy to get confused. Alright, TTGO roof, yep, okay, what have we got? Alright, so that's the difference in numbers. It's a bit loud out here, but yeah, so we'll compare that in a minute. I can't remember what the other numbers were now. But they're pinging both exactly the same location. One's got the Paradar antenna, one's got the lilygo antenna, which is actually marked with 868. So I'm assuming that one is actually tuned to the right frequency. It's amazing how many of these antennas are not quite tuned to the right frequency. You wouldn't think it would be that difficult. Yeah, I don't really know what to make of the numbers. So one is minus, what is it, 127.15. The other one is 134.10. One equals 142. The other one equals 144. So I don't know what to make of that. One's got better RSSI, one's got better signal to noise ratio, but there is 2 dB difference with the lilygo, 2 dB worse. So yeah, I don't really know what to make of that. If anybody knows, leave a comment below. But I'm going to give it some testing. Leave it up there for a week. We've got a full charge, 100 watt hour. That's quite amazing. That little solar panel from Amazon. It's been quite sunny this week, so you know, wait until December. We'll see how this all goes on. But currently we've got a fully charged Panasonic, so that's got 3,500, and then there's another 100 watt hours, whatever that is in milliamp hours. And we'll carry on testing, see how it goes. These are just some of the cases I've been working on, little prototypes. I've been fiddling around with the GPSs as well. And so it's just pushed in there for the minute. Lots of projects all going on all at the same time.